Alright guys, welcome to the Novate Designs website training. So in this particular training, we'll be showing you how you can create an e-commerce website in the sense that anybody anywhere in the world can buy from your website. So it's very easy. Let me walk you through the process of how the website would look like. So you can see with all these beautiful features, we'll be integrating this contact form, a WhatsApp chat on the website. So also we'll be showing you how you can add products images to your website. You can see we have 1000. We also give you the options to enable users choose whatever color and size options they want, and also again they'll be able to check out on your website. So these are things we'll be showing you how to do in the training. Let's say the view cards option. We'll also show you how you can add your shipping price to your website. So these are things you would be learning in the training. And furthermore, we will be teaching you how to add a payment gateway to your website so your users can select their preferred mode of payment and then place an order on your website. So this is that about that what we'll be doing. Also again, we'll be showing you how you can measure user analytics on your website, how users visit your website. So these are things we'll be showing you in this particular training, and also how you can purchase a domain name and hosting from Namecheap at a very reduced price. Also show you how you can install WordPress on your cPanel account, how you can create an email account, and also again how you can add a domain name as an add-on to your Namecheap account. So these are things we'll be doing. Show you how you can perform email forwarders on your website, and also again we'll be showing you how you can perform basic SEO practices on your website, how you can make use of the Rank Max plugin and adding your website to the Google Search Console. Also we'll be showing you how you can add your website to Google Analytics, and from that again we'll be showing you how you can get premium themes and plugins at a very reduced price from the WP Null website. So we'll show you how you can make payments on the WP Null, how you can download your whatever theme or whatever plugin you want to download from this site, and also how you can upload this on your WordPress site. And lastly, also again, we would be showing you how you can install a premium theme on your WordPress site, and also how you can import the demo data to your particular website. So these are a lot of things you'll be learning. Also again, we'll be showing you how you can set your pricing right, things you need to do to get started with your e-commerce designs. So if you're interested, all you just need to do is click the link below and sign up for the class. See you in the training.